Gravity. It's just a pull. Every object pulls on every other object. This pulling force is called gravity. The sun and every planet in our solar system exert pulling forces on each other. That's why planets keep orbiting around the sun. They don't just fly off into space. The sun's gravity pulls them towards it and causes them to orbit instead of going straight off and out into space. Even the smallest objects have gravity. Your pencil and your binder have gravity. However, gravity depends on mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. The more mass two objects have, the greater the force of gravity between them. You feel Earth's gravity because Earth contains so much matter and is so massive. It has so much mass. You don't feel a pencil's gravity because it contains very little matter and has little mass. So it takes a lot of mass to have enough gravity for you to actually feel it. The sun is the most massive object in our solar system, so it has the most gravity of any object in our solar system. The sun's gravity keeps the planets and other objects in the solar system in orbit around it. Earth has about 6 times more mass than the moon. Therefore, the Earth's gravity is about 6 times stronger than the moon's gravity. This would mean that on Earth you weigh 6 times more than you would on the moon. And because the moon has less gravity, it affected the way that the astronauts could walk on the moon when they went there. Let me show you this little video real quick. Here's an astronaut walking on the moon, and see how he's able to jump really high? That's because he weighs 6 times less on the moon than he does on Earth. Gravity and distance. The distance between objects also affects the force of gravity that they exert on each other. As objects move further apart, the force of gravity between them decreases. The sun has much more gravity than Earth. However, it's 93 million miles away from Earth. That's why its stronger gravity doesn't pull you off Earth. Think about that. Earth has much less gravity than the sun. Then why doesn't the sun pull you off the Earth toward the sun? Well, it's because it's so far away.